Join me today as I try one of Melbourne's legendary deli sandwiches. I'm super excited to try this. I've seen a lot of pictures online of this food that look amazing, so I gotta head inside here and try this. I'm here at Hector's Deli, or this is actually their bakery location in Richmond, Melbourne, but they sell all the same sandwiches that the rest of their stores sell that aren't the bakery. All right, let's head inside and check it out. Could I please get the toasted sandwich, the beef and pickles? And then could I please get a small side of the potato salad, a cinnamon bun, and then a coffee as well, please? I'll do a long black. Thank you so much. I'm here pretty early on a Sunday, so it's not busy, but I saw online that this place does get pretty busy. Look, all of these sandwich toasters over there in the kitchen. That's pretty cool. You can sit right here and see them preparing the food. It smells really good in here. I can't wait to try this food. And some of my first food items already came out here. I got the long black. It was $5.50 for this. And then I got the cinnamon bun, which looks amazing. And that was $8.50. I'm gonna wait just a second so the coffee can cool down, but I'll try the cinnamon bun first. I gotta decide on how I even wanna tackle this. They come with a knife, but no fork, so let's just cut off a corner here. Well, I should see if I can get a fork, but that's amazing. I was not expecting the icing to just be the way it is. It's super soft and melty feeling. This is obviously the bakery location, so they make all this stuff fresh here, I'm assuming daily. The layers of the bread on this cinnamon bun are super flaky and buttery. This has got to be one of the best cinnamon buns I've ever had. Really just so much icing on this whole thing. I put the perfect amount on here. You can just see the crust here. When I cut it, it just flakes apart. So good. Now I just got the long black. I'll see how this is. I always drink black coffee, don't judge. Not bad coffee at all. It's not super bold, which I normally get like dark coffee. So it tastes a little different than what I'm used to, and also it's higher quality than I normally drink for sure. But this one, really good quality. Doesn't have that same weird aftertaste that a lot of coffees will have if you get a cheaper one. I'd probably put it around like a 5 on the bitterness scale. It's not too dark, but it's not too light either. Now my food just came out, the other food that I was waiting for. This sandwich looks amazing. There's so much meat in it, melted cheese, got their sauce on it. The cheese and sauce did cost extra, but when I saw it was an option, I knew I had to add it. And then their potato salad looks like it's got all different types of seasonings on there. It looks really nice. Looks like it could be a little spicy too, but I'm not sure. I'll find out. Before I dive into those though, I gotta give you the ratings for the cinnamon bun and the coffee. So I did manage to get a fork. The cinnamon bun is so soft, so flaky, so fresh tasting, has a ton of icing on it. The icing is not overly sweet and doesn't leave a film in your mouth. Look at the icing just dropping off of it. I think I'm going to have to give the cinnamon bun a 9 out of 10. Really, really good. Now back to the coffee. I like this coffee. Really smooth, nice quality. I think I'm going to give the long black a 8 out of 10. Now that I'm done with those, I have this sandwich. There's so much meat inside of here, so much cheese, so much sauce. It looks so good. Toasted perfectly by whatever expensive fancy toasting machine they have. I don't know about sandwiches too much. If I could find a sandwich like this everywhere I went, I think I'd eat these a lot more. And then the egg salad, this was just the small egg salads. So the price of the egg salad was $2.50 for the small serving. And then the sandwich was $17.50 for the beef and pickles sandwich. But it was an additional $2 to add the cheese and another $2 to add the sauce. Let's see how good it tastes though. Hey everybody, if you're enjoying my videos and enjoying my content and you want to take your support to the next level, I started channel memberships. You'll get some awesome perks with the channel memberships. You get access to custom emojis, badges that show how long you've been a member, and you get priority reply to the comments. If you want to take your support to the next level, click the join button down below. Now, back to the video. I have a feeling I'll be messy with this, but it looks so good. Wow, nice and crunchy. The cheese and the sauce just melt in your mouth because they're already kind of melted, but they just melt in your mouth with the beef on here and the pickles. I'm quite impressed with the amount of meat that they put in here. I guess for the price, it makes sense. Nice and warm on the inside. All the sauce, cheese, and the little bit of pickle flavor in here. And the beef, of course, goes really well with this bread that they use. I gotta eat sandwiches more often. This really is so good. The meat is also nice and juicy, and the sauce has a nice tanginess to it, and the pickle flavor gets stronger with every bite. I think I'm going to have to give the beef and pickle sandwich from Hector's another 9 out of 10. So good. Coffee with the sandwich is a weird combo, but if you're getting a bakery item, it goes great with it. Now, I have the potato salad here. I'm not sure all the seasonings they put on here, but it looks like there's definitely paprika, and it looks so fluffy and soft. I was not expecting it to be like that. Every potato salad I've had is really chunky, but when I just push the spoon into it, it just looks like mashed potatoes. Wow, super, super creamy. It is like mashed potatoes, potato salad, which I've always got chunky potato salad. Do you guys normally do potato salad like this in Australia? Or is it normally just like chunky, like I'm thinking? The spices on top of here really go good with it. It's not too strong of a flavor though. This is definitely the creamiest and softest potato salad I've ever had. I'd definitely be interested to try more potato salads that are super soft and fluffy potato and creamy, just like this one. This is definitely a really good potato salad, especially for the price. I think it's the best value here, honestly. I think I'm going to have to give the potato salad a 8.9 out of 10. It's just a little bit less than a 9. I do like potato salads, and I've had quite a few in America. Never on my channel, so this is the first time. Or at least I don't think I've had it on my channel. Anyways, time to devour the rest of this. Oh my gosh, I'm so full. That food is amazing. They have so many different types of sandwiches here too. I'll show you the menu on the way out. So many fresh baked goods here. You can see their bacon cookies. They have all different types of pastries. Here is the menu that I was talking about. They have loads of different sandwiches and bakery items, even a few different sides, drinks, and just so many more pastries. All right, that food was amazing. The workers in there, super nice, like all these places I've been going to here in Melbourne. I like the setup in there, it's pretty cool how you can see into the kitchen. A lot of positive stuff about this place. Overall, definitely like it. The only downside, I think, is the price. It is a little bit expensive. You get what you pay for, and this place, you can tell, is higher quality than a lot of those cheaper shops out there. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I've got a lot more Australia content coming for you that you're not gonna wanna miss. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, have a good one.